Let's search for your family trip of 4 from the West Coast to Europe in business class. Your current points balance is 400,000 Avianca LifeMiles, 400,000 Iberia Avios, and a budget of $500 in taxes and fees per person. I was able to find Lufthansa flights from San Francisco to Rome, 69,000 miles per person. Also, returning flights Madrid to JFK to San Francisco on American Airlines for 105,000 miles. Now I know that second one is over budget, but I'll show you later how to turn Iberia miles into Qatar Airways Avios and stay under budget. Switch tabs to sign into Avianca LifeMiles, and we're going to search from San Francisco to Rome, Italy, 17 November for 4 adults, business class only sorted. With Avianca LifeMiles, we're looking for Star Alliance partners like Lufthansa and United. So I'll have those selected and we'll hit search. That brings up an option for a late departure from San Francisco to Munich and then Munich to Rome for a total of about 69,000 miles. That fits into our budget. So now we have the first outgoing flights knocked out. And let's move on to the next step. Your Iberia Avios are convertible to other Avios partners, including Qatar Airways, by using British Airways as the intermediary. Qatar Airways has the best available option to avoid UK airports, which have high taxes and fees, well over the $500 budget. Also, the Qatar Airways redemptions are not as variable in cost versus other Avios partners. So let's go to the Qatar Airways Avios search function, and we're going to search one way Madrid to New York JFK on November 26th. So that gives you about 10 days in Europe. There is availability for 4 people. However, I'm only selecting one person for now. That way you can more easily see the breakdown cost per person. And here we are, Madrid, 11 a.m. takeoff to JFK, arrival at 13:20 for 62,000 Avios per person. This does fit into the budget, and we'll show you how in a moment. The onward flight from JFK to San Francisco, also operated by American Airlines, 43,000 miles per person. This is a total of 105,000 miles for the return trip. So let's show you how to stay under budget. And we'll do that by going to British Airways website first to show how to transfer your Iberia Avios into British Airways Avios. This requires you to have an account. So you'll click on your name at the top right. This button will bring up your My British Airways Club account. And from here, you'll click on membership. That way you can scroll down and click on Combine Avios. This page will allow you to combine your Iberia Avios into your British Airways account. That way you can transfer them again to Qatar Airways. After transferring your 400,000 Iberia Avios into British Airways Avios, you'll still be 20,000 Avios short of making your return flight bookings. The best option at the moment is to purchase Avios through British Airways. So let's do that by clicking on Buy Avios, and then we'll transfer them to Qatar Airways. So click Buy Avios. From this page, we can see that there's a bonus going on. So if you buy 15,000, you're actually getting 21,000 for $365. That's actually a better deal than purchasing them through Qatar Airways. So after you do that, then you go back to Combine Avios again, except this time we'll transfer to Qatar Airways. Now you have the full 420,000 Avios that you need and can transfer them here, British Airways to Qatar Avios, and make your return bookings. Finally, let's recap the budget. So far, we've used $565 taxes and fees, including purchasing those Avios through British Airways and then transferring them. $1,445 left for repositioning flights. And remember, you still have 124,000 remaining Avianca LifeMiles. Once you've booked these transatlantic bookings, then you can get back to us on purchasing repositioning flights, utilizing those leftover Avianca LifeMiles and the remaining budget for taxes and fees, but applying that to repositioning flights as necessary.